If you're looking for passive income ideas online, let me tell you how I made a couple of $1,000s last month in passive income online. And this is what I did. It's called domain nesting, domain flipping. My name is Alex, by the way. Subscribe to the channel. So last month I made a couple of $1,000, and all I did was this, right? One time I bought a domain name for $12.50 on GoDaddy.com, and I sold it back to some guy for $750. He gave me $750 for a domain name that he wanted to purchase, but I bought it first for $12.50. So it was, like I said, $12.50, made $750, and it took about an hour, right? More. That's one passive income. Number two passive income is I bought a domain name for $20, listed on a marketplace, on domain marketplace, right, and sold for $300, right? So $280 profit. Domain nesting. The reason why I like this method is because you can buy the domain names for very low very low amount, and you can put them on domain marketplaces and different strategies that we use inside domain nesting, and literally get hundreds of dollars from these domains that you purchase for $12. And you don't have to be on camera. There's no making content. There's no running ads. It's just literally using our software, finding domain names for very low cost, put them on inside different domain networks or marketplaces where people can buy, and you can make some passive income doing this, because I did it last month and made some passive income simply by moving a mouse around on GoDaddy, buying a domain name, selling it back to people on different marketplaces online. If you want to check out all this, like how all this stuff works, domain nesting, domain flipping, passive income ideas, you're going to click the link below. I'm not going to ask you for your email address. Just go watch the video and learn more about domain nesting, domain flipping from my mentor, Jamie Lewis. Peace.